Now we're running around renovating our house at all hours of the day and night. I'm on a mission to boost my Paprika App collection of simple, energy-packed recipes. Otherwise, we'll end up crashed out under a mountain of pizza boxes. But when I found this super simple chickpea and mango curry recipe, it wouldn't do the usual auto-download magic. Now I had to have this recipe, so I got it in the end, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to download those pesky recipes that aren't playing nicely with Paprika App. So let's get the iPad out and show you how to do it. Okay, so here's the recipe I'm trying to download. It's a yotam atalengi recipe and it's in a newspaper app. And often these newspaper apps, they have more than one recipe in a page. And it did work when I pressed download, but when I looked down at the ingredients, it had downloaded the two recipes from the same page. And this is really common. So here's what to do instead if this happens to you. So we've got our URL in Paprika for the recipe. And if you look towards the bottom, you'll see these grey boxes that give you all different subheadings for your Paprika recipe card. So firstly, I'm going to highlight this title, black chickpea and mango curry, and then click on name. Then I'm going to highlight the introduction because I quite like to get that and Paprika doesn't always get it. And then again, I will just click description. Then I'm going to move on and I'm going to highlight the ingredients. So here they are all highlighted, and then I click ingredients, all done. So you just work your way through. It may have all of the information or just some of it, so you can just choose whichever of those grey boxes that you have info for. Same for everyone, you just highlight it, click the button. Don't need to do anything else yet, but once you've captured all of the information, we're going to get the photo as well if there is one. So if you press and hold on the photo, and then you're going to get a sub-menu coming up and you select add photo to recipe and then click save. And now you can go over to your recently imported recipes and check that it's all worked. And here we have a perfect download of the actual recipe that I want. I'm going to be making that soon. And now you know how to download these fiddly recipes. What's it going to be like when you know all the magically simple ways to download recipes into Paprika? Well, take a look at this playlist here and I'll see you over there.